creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for Solving the Recorder Mystery. On mission 4, we are decoding A. But before we do that, let me review a couple things that you might need to know. If you're watching my video, give me a thumbs up to let me know. First, remember, if you don't know your right and left, it's no problem. Just write an L and an R. I'll go ahead and do that right now. If you don't want to write the L and the R, you can also just use a sticker for your left hand to let you know that's the hand you need to use. The second reminder is if you're squeaking, it's usually one of two reasons. First reason is maybe you're blowing too hard. So if you think you might be blowing too hard, blow a little softer and see if that fixes the problem. If you're still squeaking, it's the second reason. You're probably not covering the holes all the way. To fix that, you make your fingers flat like this, like pancakes. You can also wiggle your fingers to get good contact with the holes. And if you're still not sure, you can push really hard. And then when you lift up, you should see full circles like this. Do you see my full circles there? If you only see a part circle, like a half circle or something, then that is the problem. You're not covering that hole. To complete mission 4, I have 3 assignments for you. Number 1, learn how to finger A. Number 2, learn how to read A on the music staff. And number 3, learn the differences between A and B by sight, by sound, and by playing. So let's go ahead and get started with mission 4 now. Assignment number 1, fingering for A. The fingering for A is thumb, 1, 2. Make sure you're using your left hand for it. Then you put your thumb 1, 2 on the recorder like this. La la. Now up until this point, we haven't talked about the fingering chart. The fingering chart is like a simplified version of the recorder. It has your left hand box and your right hand box underneath it, and then it has a hole out to the side. So you can see that hole out to the side is your thumb hole, and then your first finger is the top hole, and then the second finger is the second hole. If the hole is blackened in, those are the holes you cover. Got it? Some of you might be wondering, what do you do with your other hand? Your right hand needs to go in its real spot, but just don't cover any holes. What you do is you put all your fingers down and then you lift it up, okay? See, like that? Let's see if you can play A. So make sure you've got your left hand, thumb, 1, 2, ready. I play, then you play. Assignment number 2 is read A on the music staff. So I'm going to put my music staff right here. I'll give you one down here with the real lines on it. A is the second space on the music staff. So you start at the bottom, space 1, space 2. There's A. Let's go ahead and read some A on the music staff. I play first, you repeat after me, and I'll play each one twice. Now it's time for assignment number 3, finding the differences between A and B. So let's talk about the look and the sound first. If a note is higher on the music staff, it sounds higher. So if it looks higher, it sounds higher. B looks a tiny bit higher. It's on the 3rd line. So B is a little bit higher. A is on the 2nd space. It's a little bit lower. So look. See how that works? The other big difference is the fingering. B is thumb 1, A is thumb 1, 2. B, A, B, A, B, A. So here are the differences. B looks higher on the music staff, it sounds higher, and it is fingered thumb 1. A is a little bit lower, it sounds a little bit lower, and it's fingered thumb 1, 2. Now there is a secret hint that is going to help you so much when you're reading music and playing the recorder. If it looks higher, it uses less fingers. As it gets lower, it's like your fingers are going down the stairs. There are going to be a few exceptions to that, but for right now, just realize that if it's going lower, it's going to look like it's going lower on your recorder too. Isn't that awesome? It helps so much. Now that you know the differences between A and B in your mind, let's put it on the recorder and actually play it. I will put these at the end of this video and you can practice them without my help. Let's do it 2 times each to give you a little extra practice. Don't forget your right hand needs to go down low. Your left hand is up high by your mouth. My turn first. If you want to learn about the recorder or if you want some general music lessons, then subscribe below now. Next time on Solving the Recorder Mystery, we will be decoding G. And we'll be playing B, A, and G together on the recorder. So I hope you'll join me next time on Solving the Recorder Mystery, Mission 5. Thank you for watching. Check out my recorder videos and my music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Hey teachers, if you would like the ad-free, promo-free, downloadable version of this video, plus all the graphics in PowerPoint and PDF, then check out the link below for my TPT store. If you're interested in music detective stuff, I have a whole series of music detective games available in PowerPoint and Smart Notebook. You can check out the link below for that too.